As we can see, we're now shortly arriving at Ashford. And Camille's about to press the button.
Don't record people, please.
You're right. Can I say goodbye to you? Why? Watching it. We just got off the train. We just got. Guess what? They've got a new service in town, which is called. They've got a new service called Tyne Parkway.
It's a one-handed wave at the driver. It's nothing more than that. Just one hand. Wait. It's a one-hand wave.
Which is waiting for the dispatcher. We're on platform 5, and on this platform will be a 15:20 service to Margate. It's a Southeastern high speed, and then from 5th. Okay. And there is a 15:20 going to Margate, Southeastern high speed. And then we have also got another, a London to Pancras International coming in 5:16. I'm just waiting for the dispatcher to shout out on the rear.
Do not ride that in the station, young man.
Let's see. The platform 1 and 2 go to London Charing Cross, and that way the other one goes down to Hastings, Eastbourne or Brighton. These platforms sometimes be used for Eurostar, go to Paris, Gare du Nord, or sometimes for Dover Prime.
International sign.
Yeah. And this is Ashford International. Good.
Curious brewing.
Okay, now we're on the roll. Let's start going. Now we have a 14:56.
Train number 37580.
Okay, let's start now. We have the 14:56 our train that we got off. It's a southeastern service to Ramsgate via Canterbury West, calling at Y, Chilham, Charlton, Canterbury West, Surrey, Minster, Thanet Parkway, and Ramsgate. The train's formed of 8 coaches. And this is our train we got off. I'll show you the video about Staples and getting on the train. And here we go to Eurostar service to Paris, Gare du Nord, via the Channel Tunnel. Yes.
Yeah, good. Off your scooter, you're in the platform.
Okay, now all around town we're going to show you almost videos such as Hollywood Bowl and Arcade.
Are you going to save your battery?
Okay, now we've got another southeastern going that we're going to take home later to London Charing Cross via calling at Pulluckley, Headcorn, Staples, Morridon, Paddockwood, Tunbridge, Sevenoaks, London Bridge, Waterloo East, and London Charing Cross. This train is formed of 8 coaches. I'll see you in the arcades, Hollywood Bowl, and the skate park. We might be able to go to McDonald's if I would. We'll find out. Bye.